What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber parts on my buddy's 2014 BMW 335i. He has the F30 chassis. He's on his way right now. It's pretty early in the morning. We wanted to get a fresh start because it's been pretty hot out here and we want to beat the sun. So yeah, he's on his way right now. I'm not going to make this intro really long. I just want to get straight to the point and start installing these parts. Thank you to everyone who's been subscribing and following me on Instagram. I really do appreciate it. And I'm probably not going to do an outro just because I want to upload this video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get to it.
Damn, look at this guy.
Put this on under the lid.
Oh yeah, that'll be sick.
I was thinking of
dude, you're gonna be
silver.
low. Holy shit. We can get silver spray paint like a Pep Boys or
That's
something.
what I was thinking, like going silver, like,
yeah.
like the car silver maybe.
Dude, that'll be sick. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's not gonna be that hard. Never mind. I remember like it being deep, but they're all right there.
Yeah. So it would be like this. We just need to figure out.
Damn, bro, that would be hard. Look at that. That looks wet. Dude, it's perfect because it angles the same. What the fuck?
Yeah. So we're gonna do that.
Do it.
But I'm thinking,
you have to do it while it's off.
Yeah, we're gonna do it while it's off right now.
Alright, we're replacing these. Damn, dude, you had these on fucking hard. Holy fuck. I don't remember putting that many bolts when I had them on. Going full carbon fiber. Huh? Oh yeah, these two.
These are gonna fit nice.
Fuck, bro, your car's gonna be like totally different now. Fuck yeah, it's gonna be like nuts. Dude, good thing dude, you're literally full carbon.
Yeah, I'm gonna be full carbon now.
Fuck. That's sick. Oh, Mickey ramps. He's on bags as well. Look at that, bag life. He just raised this bitch. Oh yeah, you tightened it. It's confusing kind of, huh? Cause like the way it's angled. Damn, I even brought the working shoes too.
I brought my whole shit.
They're all worked out. I know, me too. I do some shitty shoes on too, just like this in case.
I threw on my. I just put on my work uniform. Like fuck this.
You're about to get a little dirty. Oh, at least it's good. There's some shade right now. It's nice and cool. Fucking doing it later in the sun would have been hell.
Good.
Clean those motherfuckers. Why do you want them all shiny? It looks better dirty.
Yeah. Hey, let me see, leave your car like that, bitch.
Nah, hell no. Dude, so many people wanted these. It's funny. Everyone was like, oh, I want to get those. And then he posts up for himself. No one's down. Everyone's all scared.
What? To put what?
To buy these.
What?
I don't know, bro.
I got them for cheap. I ain't sure.
We can't explain that on the vlog.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good.
My shit is no good. Okay, but we good.
That's it? That easy? Fuck.
You got the right tools?
Pep Boys is fucking side skirts?
Huh?
Damn.
I had them do like 2 more screws.
Yeah, you'll be straight.
Yeah, sure.
Damn, let's compare it to the other one. Dude, that shit looks way better. Fuck yeah. These are still dope too.
That shit go like that?
Nah, see if you put it to right here, like at the end. How does it look over there? Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
That shit straight went into the bumper.
You're gonna have to drill through it. Yeah, you're gonna have a bolt sticking out here. It's all good, dude. Dude, it goes perfect. Dude, the carbon fiber all around, it'd be so wet.
That's right there.
Yeah. How's it going? Zoe, look at the camera. Dude, her nails are painted, bro.
Damn, your girl be fucking around.
Look at her nails. She doesn't bite at all, bro. She's the nicest thing ever. Working? It is, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, I had to do I did all my shit too. It was fucking melting. That's why I wanted the car turned that way. I think it looked dope though with this. No one's done it. I mean, people do it, but
I don't think they've done it on this shit.
yeah, it's like sick. Zoe. Vars style lit. I think it's Vars, yeah. Or it's Mickey. The lit. You miss everything but the tape. You see that? Fuck that, bro. Let's leave it. Does that edge go out the edge over there? Like this part right here? Does it extend? If this is flush right here, how does that side look? It goes out a little, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to have a little standing out on each end. Like that. So these can these can stick out, and then this will go perfect with this. Damn, it goes like perfect with that.
You gotta just make the same space. So say if I got, what I got here?
What is it?
Like 1.5 inches, so
Yeah.
we'll just go, I don't know, maybe like
An inch?
3/4.
Okay. Oh, this was pretty the same too.
That's like 7/8 or an inch. An inch.
Yeah.
So we'll just go 7/8 on this shit. 7/8.
Damn, I have no nails.
Yeah, me either.
Oh, this is scary, bro. There, you hit it. How you looking? I'm good over here, dude.
Hold up. Oh, fuck.
It looks wet. Once it's slammed and clean.
Bitch. Okay. Let's.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Can I slam right there?
Yeah, let's. No, you're good.
On the bottom, backwards.
No, you're good. Okay, there's no wood. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That's your max right there? It doesn't look even. Do like real preset. Real preset drop. There you go. Pretty much on the floor. That's good though, because like there's a lot of places you're gonna go to where the ground is not as even. Got the new front lip, fucking side skirts, bag, rear splitters, carbon fiber. Fuck, bro. Car looks wet. Fuck, dude.